How to lose weight fast with baking soda. Losing weight fast and staying in shape is the most popular topic among women around the world. There are literally thousands of diets and weight loss methods online which promise results in only a week, but the reality is that they will make you regain the lost weight in just a couple of days. We use numerous ingredients from our kitchen every day, but rarely anyone knows about their versatility. One such ingredient is baking soda. We use it for preparing cookies and dough as well as for cleaning, but not everyone knows that it can also improve our overall health. Everyone loves to have a flat and attractive stomach, but this is a difficult task which can't be done without a healthy diet and regular exercise, and let's face it, rarely anyone has the time for that. Luckily, baking soda can reduce your excess belly fat effectively. But how can you use it to reduce your belly fat? Well, there are 3 ways in which baking soda can help you reduce weight, and we're going to present them below. Baking soda, lemon juice and grapefruit. Ingredients: half a glass of water, 1 lemon or grapefruit, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Preparation: add the baking soda in a glass of water, then add the lemon juice and stir well. Drink the mixture every morning 20 minutes before breakfast to melt your belly fat. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Ingredients: 1 glass of water, 2 tablespoons of ACV, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Preparation: mix the ingredients in a glass of water and consume the mixture every morning on an empty stomach. Baking soda and fruits. Ingredients: 1 cup of strawberries, a bunch of fresh mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of water, 2 lemons. Preparation: mix the ingredients together and consume the drink twice a day. You can add some ice for a cool, refreshing drink. Of course, the ingredient won't burn fat alone. You need to avoid consuming sugar and flour, as well as processed meat and alcohol. Stick to these tips and try the baking soda remedies described above, and your belly fat will be gone soon.